Hey guys, welcome to another viewer question here for the level 1 MCAT preparation. What we have is this particular question here. I'm just going to rewrite this question so if just in case you can't actually see it. So what we have is 6a times 4a to the power of 4 over 2a cubed. That's equal to 27b to the power of 6. And what they're asking for is a in terms of b. Okay, so what we have is we've got to expand the left-hand side and just kind of expand the denominator and then kind of simplify it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 6a times, well, 6 times 4 first off is going to give me 24, and then a times a to the power of 4 is going to give me a to the power of 5, because remember a has a power of 1, so basically a to the power of 1 times a to the power of 4 is a to the power of 5, and then we've got 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Okay, once I get that, now I need to go 2a to the power of 3. So when I remember that both 2 has a power of 1 and a has a power of 1, so this is going to look like this. 2 to the power of 1 times 3 is 3, and then a to the power of 1 times 3 is also 3. So I'm left over with 27b to the power of 6. I'm doing nothing here on the right hand side because remember this is a write a in terms of b question, so that means I don't really need to mess around with it just yet. Okay, so what we then have is 24 a to the power of 5 divided by a squared will become a to the power of 5 minus 3, and that's divided by 2 to the power of 3, which equals to 8. All right, and then 24 divided by 8, which ends up being 3, and then a to the power of 5 minus 3 is a squared, and you're going to get 3a squared equals 27b to the power of 6. So rearranging this now, I'm going to get a squared is equal to 27b to the power of 6 divided by 3, because when the 3 comes over to the opposite side, it actually ends up being divided by. And then we've got a squared equals 27 divided by 3, which equals to 9. And so it becomes 9b6. All right, so at this point, we can actually say, because we're still trying to figure out a in terms of b, so this is a squared. So I've just got to write this as a is equal to square root of 9b6. Now, you can actually go one more step. Also remember that this could be plus or minus. So I'm going to put this as a is equal to plus or minus. Now, I'm going to split it up like this. Square root of 9 and square root of b to the power of 6. So plus or minus, square root of 9 is 3, and square root of b6 is b squared. Okay, now if you kind of went, sorry, not b squared, b to the power of 3. If you kind of went, how the hell did I actually get square root of b6 as b cubed? Because think about it like this. What two numbers multiplied together is going to be b6? Well, it's going to be b cubed times b cubed. That's what's going to equal to b6. So that's how I knew square root of b to the power of 6 is actually equal to b to the power of 3. Okay, so guys, that's basically it for this question here. What do we have here? As usual, don't forget to like this video and share this video. As always, subscribe to the channel as well so you can keep up with all the tutorials and new content. And also, if you have some time, there's some other playlists for MCAT prep should be popping up sometime there. Okay, thank you for watching.